In a group of 120 persons, there are 32 more women than men. How many women are there in the group? So gawan lang natin ito ng expression. So ang sabi, there are 32 more women than men. So W is equal to M plus 32 because the women is 32 greater than men. Then the total is 120 persons. So therefore, if we add the number of men and women, the total is 120. So therefore, we have M, the number of men, plus the number of women equals 120. But the value of women is M plus 32. So we have M plus 32 equals 120. Solve for M. So M plus M, that is equal to 2M plus 32 equals 120. Subtract 32 to both sides. So therefore, we have 2M is equal to 120 minus 32, that is 88. Divide both sides by 2. So the number of men is equal to 88 divided by 2 is 44. But we are looking for the number of women. How many women are there? The women is 32 greater than the men. So we have 44 plus 32. The number of women is 6. And then we have 7, 76. Letter C. Follow for more.